What if I told you that starting a simple blog could be the most powerful thing you do this year? Not just for making money, but for building your voice, your brand, your future. Most people scroll, post, consume, but creators own their space online, and blogging is still one of the smartest, most underused ways to do it. So if you've ever wondered, should I start a blog? This is for you. Blogs build your brand authority. Think of your blog like your digital handshake. It's often the first impression people get when they search your name, your business, or even your opinion on a topic. Google loves blogs because they answer questions. And if you're answering those questions with useful content, boom, you're seen as the expert. Example, let's say you're into holistic health. You post helpful guides, natural remedies, maybe a review of your favorite supplements. Over time, people trust you. You're not just another random voice. You're their go-to. Your blog equals your digital asset. Here's the thing about social media. You don't own it. Your Instagram, borrowed space. Your TikTok can vanish overnight. But your blog, that's your home base. You control the message, the look, the links, the income streams. It's like owning a house instead of renting a room. Want to run affiliate links, sell products, offer coaching? Your blog can be the engine behind all of that. SEO, your long-term traffic machine. This part's magic. When you blog with strategy, using keywords, answering real questions, your posts get found again and again on Google. It's not like a social post that dies in 24 hours. A well-written blog post can bring in leads for years. Literally. I've had posts I wrote ages ago still bring in traffic today. That's the kind of compounding value that social media just can't match. It's therapeutic and makes you smarter. You'd be amazed what happens when you write regularly. You start thinking more clearly. You organize your thoughts better. You reflect deeper. You grow. Even if no one reads your first few posts, you become better just by showing up and writing. And weirdly enough, when you're authentic, people start to show up anyway. Blogging unlocks income streams. Let's talk money. Affiliate marketing, sponsored content, selling products, email list. Growth. Even turning posts into YouTube scripts or podcast episodes. Your blog is like the engine room of your online business. The blog attracts. Your offers convert. The audience sticks around because you're not just another sales pitch. You're giving real value first. Your blog becomes a legacy. Sounds a bit deep, but it's true. Unlike a tweet that disappears in the scroll, your blog builds a body of work. It's a timeline of your journey, your ideas, your impact. Your kids might read it one day, or someone across the world might have a breakthrough moment because of something you wrote. That's legacy. It's easier than you think. You don't need to be a tech wizard or English major. There are platforms like WordPress, systems like Ghost Commerce, tools for AI writing, SEO plugins, you name it. Start simple. Pick a topic you love or know a little about. Write what you wish existed when you first started out. Perfection is the enemy. Progress is the goal. Let me leave you with this. You can spend the next year consuming content, or you can start creating content. One of those builds someone else's empire. The other builds yours. Blogging isn't dead, it's just underestimated. And if you start today, even small steps, you're setting yourself up to win in the long run. You grow your brand, you build an asset, you earn income, and you own your voice. So if you're ready to stop scrolling and start building, go check out andrewplimmer.com. I've got blog post guides, digital business ideas, and a full roadmap to help you get started the smart way. This isn't just about writing, it's about taking back control. Your ideas matter, time to share them. Thanks for watching. Now don't hesitate to reach out if you have questions.